What's up guys, here it is Khan of Dubai back again with another video for the customization of your Coolpad Note 3 Lite or any other Android smartphone. So guys, today I was gonna be telling you about something which I got into. It's actually a problem, and you can say this video is also gonna be a quick fix kind of video. So basically from quite a few days I have been trying to run Fedora operating system, which is an Red Hat operating system. So I have been trying to use that, or operate on that on my Android device. That's the Coolpad Note 3 Lite, which I'm recording it right now on. So basically you have the Coolpad Note 3 Lite right now in front of you, in which I was gonna be showing you what you have to do. So the problem was this, that while installing few packages, after the Fedora installation happened properly, after getting the desktop environment, everything else, when I tried to install certain packages, I was not able to install the packages, and the error which was displaying each time was the same error, and the name of the error, or the error specifically was could not run the transaction successfully because of something like user is a root, or user : root. So that kind of error was displaying somewhat like that, and this was happening each and every time when I was trying to install some kind of package like VLC Media Player, Genome, Quick Tools, or Firefox, or any one of them. So I was looking for the solution on the web, and I came along with this one solution. Came around I don't remember the exact website, which was probably the Stack Overflow, but I'm gonna give the link in the description. If you don't get it in the video what I was trying to say, or type it out, then you can just go into that link and just check it out. All the credit goes to that user who displayed, or who gave that solution in that website, in the comment section. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video straight. So after installing Fedora, now you gotta just simply run the Fedora script so as to run the Fedora. So as you can see, you have the Fedora here. So after installing Fedora, when you are into Termux, so this is Termux. Basically I installed Fedora using Termux. So it's a non-root method, just so you guys know. Alright, so what you need to do is, first of all, just type VNC server and then -stop. When you will do that, any of the previous VNC servers which are running in the background will gonna be killed. The processes, so as you can see, killing xVNC process ID 25461. So there was a VNC server which was running in the background. After you have done this, now either you can just go through the VNC server thing, or you can also just leave it not choosing the VNC server interface. That is the main desktop environment. So I will gonna rather choose the Termux, so that it is clear to you guys how you need to go through the whole procedure. So what you need to do first of all is change the directory. So it's cd, just type the command as I'm typing, cd /var /lid/rmp, not rmp, I guess rpm, yes, rpm, that's rpm, and hit enter. So you're gonna see that we have changed the directory to rpm, which is inside the var/lib folder. And now what we need to do is just check out the files. Type ll-la. So you're gonna see the list of all the files which are there in that directory, that particular directory. So when I scroll up a bit, I will see that you can see these two files in the top, rpm.lock and dbenv.lock. Okay, so .dbenv.lock and .rpm.lock. So basically these are the hidden files. That's why we use the LA command. And along with that, in the end, you can see these two gonna be hitting enter, because otherwise it will gonna be rebuilding the database. And actually, yes, we can go through the whole procedure. So we're gonna do the whole thing. So going through this _db.star, when I type that, you're gonna ask me, so I'm gonna click yes. So it has removed all the files. We can check it out by again typing the ll-la command. So you can see now there are no more database files. Okay, so I have removed them. my RPM directory. What I need to do next is I need to type RPM space hyphen IUILD, that is rebuild database. DB stands for database. When I hit enter, you're gonna see we're gonna be stuck there. Now maybe you're gonna just directly go, like, within a second I'm gonna show you again, like come back to the command prompt. As you can see, it's come back to the command line. So what it has done is it has rebuilt the database, but in your case it might happen that it might get stuck there, and it might also show a warning that waiting for the rpm.log file, something like that kind of thing. So what you do in that case is just type remove or rm.rpm.log. So what this is gonna be doing is this is gonna be removing the file on the top which we saw, that is the rpm.log file. Alright, so when you hit enter, it's gonna remove the rpm.log file, and after that when you will gonna type rpm hyphen rebuild db, that is gonna be fixing up the database problem, and it's gonna be recreating or rebuilding the database. And keep in mind, when you type the rpm.log command and hit enter, that will also gonna remove that dbevn.log file also. So don't worry about that, it is probably linked to that file, and those two might be linked with each other. So as soon as you're done with this, you can try out by typing a command to install a particular package. So I'm gonna clear the screen and I'm gonna type yum install Firefox for an example. So when you will type that, I'm gonna go through the whole procedure, as you can see. Now as it is going through the whole,
now as you guys can see, the download is completed and the transaction check happened, and there was no error during the transaction check was done. So it is basically installing the Firefox browser now into my virtual Linux system, I should say. Alright. So installation is gonna be done, and there you see it has installed these three particular packages. I said 5 packages, and it says complete. So as you guys can see, the installation is completed, and in the same way you can install now in any package which was giving before the error of transaction not being able to complete it, or because of that root user or user as root. So now we fixed that problem, and I guess that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. If you like the video and if this video helped you out, then please do hit the like button below and do subscribe to my channel, and do comment in the comment section if you have any kind of problem or doubt. I'm gonna clear that out if I can. And don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so that you can keep yourself updated with the latest happenings and the uploads which I do on the channel. And that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.